Hey, two friends. So today I have a unusual unboxing. Unusual in the sense that it's a from a company that I've never really worked on before. I've never really heard much about them, but just a quick research. They are a Japanese company, and they're not the most high end. In fact, like for a Japanese model company, their quality is not that great. They mostly make curbside kits. But the interesting about them is that they have unusual kits, like hard to find models that other companies don't do. Like, for instance, they have like a 1970 Benz C111, a gold wing, which looks like a DeLorean. Um, I mean, I've never even heard of this car, let alone a model kit of it. So, and then you have like on this particular kit right here, it's a Porsche 924, and as far as I know, it's the only plastic model kit available anywhere of a Porsche 924. So I'm going to open it up and give you a gander of what it's like. So a little backstory about the Porsche 924, at least personal backstory. Actually, a friend of mine in high school, her father owned a yellow 924, and ever since then, I just thought it was one of the coolest things ever. Even though a lot of people don't really consider them Porsches because they were created for Audi, and they have an Audi or Volkswagen motor initially. But there's a long story to it. So as you can see, this is the instructions. Um, 2 pages, not a whole lot going on. So, but the instructions don't tell the whole story, right? It's the quality of the mold, right? So let's see what we have here. And right away, you see problem because there's a massive flashing pretty much everywhere, flashing even on the mode lines. So here, here. Um, so the body itself, I mean, looks pretty good, but there's not much to the 924. Yeah, this is where this is supposed to be a panel line with the hood and the body, but there's like a giant piece of flash here. So yeah, it's gonna need a lot of work. But at least the vents down here, they're open. All right, so there's that. And you have to forgive my super baritone voice today. I suffering from allergies, so okay. So this is the clear parts. Right away I see their problems. It's not very clear. I mean, it's actually kind of yellowish, slightly grayish actually, and there are scratches on it already. So it's all right. I mean, you can tell this mold that they used has been through the ringer, so to speak, because of the flash and the scratches on it. So you have bumper parts, front, rear. This is the rear bumper. This probably is the engine firewall. I don't know what this is. This is probably the rear spoiler. I don't know what these parts are. They may be headrests. I don't know. And then you have the chassis tub. You know, you can see like the detailing at the bottom is pretty lame. I don't know when this kit came out. It might be recent, but yeah, it's pretty lame. Well, you know, it looks like it might be motorized, or it was designed initially to be motorized by the looks of it. So the door panels, all right, you know, it's all right. These are the seats, molded in 2 sections, actually 3 sections, front and back, upper seat and lower seat, steering wheel, get the signal levers, light buckets, rear mirrors, side mirrors. I'm not sure what this is. Well, this is probably a chassis piece. This is the center console. Another part of the center console. And this is the dashboard. It looks like the instruments are molded in there, which I'm going to do something about. So I'm probably going to drill out the instruments and insert some decals. Yeah, they're perfectly round, so it makes the drilling a lot easier. Windshield wipers, rear seats. You know, I mean, I would say the details are pretty good for the interior. I mean, you can see that the instruments, you know, you can see them, make them out pretty clearly. So I don't have much to complain about on that part. All right, so and that's basically it. You have like 3 sprues, and these are the wheels, license plates, rear view mirror. This looks like the exhaust tips. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Decals. So the decals do not include the instruments. So I'm gonna have to improvise. Well, at least the tires are rubberized. So that's a good thing. Feels good. All right, so I'm gonna take a photograph of all of these parts, so you can pause the video and do a close-up if you want. And I'm also gonna photograph the instructions so you see what you're dealing with. So there you have it. It's you know, Porsche 924 by ARII, ARII, and stay tuned for a build video. Thanks for watching.